fall time. You feel alright when you hear the music ring.
Seraya.
Well, now you step inside, but you don't see too many faces. Coming in out of the rain, they hear the jazz go down. Competition in other places, but the horns, they blowing that sound. Way on down south, way on down south, London
Lawan juru kamera. Dapat bib.
Check out Guitar George, he knows all the chords. But it's strictly rhythm, he doesn't wanna make it cry or
Kanan.
if standing old guitar is all he can afford, when he gets up under the lights to play his thing, then Harry doesn't mind if he doesn't make the scene. For he's got a daytime job, he's doing alright. He can play the honky-tonk like anything, saving it up Friday night with the Sultans, with the Sultans of Swing.
Masuk.
And a crowd of young boys, they're fooling around in the corner, drunk and dressed in their best brown baggies in their platform soles. They don't give a damn about any trumpet playing band. It ain't what they call rock and roll. And the Sultans, yeah, the Sultans, they play Creole. Creole.
Ya. Ya, sama je lah. Bukan je. Sekejap dah. Pelan-pelan. Sekejap. Mak ni pun tak ada je. Game dia mampu.
And then the man steps right up to the microphone, says at last, just as the time bell rings, good night, now it's time to go home. Then he makes it fast with one more thing. We are the Sultans, we are the Sultans of Swing.
Assalamualaikum, salam sejahtera. Ya, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, hari ini kita berada di lokasi air terjun Seraya. Okey. Di belakang saya. Daripada jalan besar ke air terjun Seraya ni lebih kurang 12 km. Mendaki bukit dan menuruni lembah. Dia 12 kilo 12 kilo off-road. 9 rider hari ini semuanya berjaya sampai. Ini dia yang orang sebut-sebut air terjun Seraya. Ini salah satu lesen lah kepada rider yang berada di daerah Padang Terang. Okey, kita teruskan pendakian ke level yang kedua, air terjun Sungai Seraya. Ya. Tuan-tuan boleh tengok. Kami sekarang berada di air terjun Sungai Seraya. Kalau tuan-tuan boleh lihat di belakang kami, lebih kurang 150 meter di atas sana air terjun. Yap, tu agak nampak jelas tu air terjun. Muka agak jelas. Ini muka dia rider, kami datang 9 orang. Oh, macam mana jalan kita masuk hari ni? Menarik 12 km off-road. Yap, mendaki dan juga menuruni lembah dengan begitu berjaya. Sangat best. Dia makai kata sangat best. Berbaloi latihan. Latihan di Bukit Gedong selama beberapa malam untuk datang ke air terjun Sungai Seraya ini, dan semuanya dengan jayanya sampai.
Shiver in the dark, it's raining in the park, but meantime sound of the river, you stop and you hold everything. A band is blowing Dixie, double fall time. You feel alright when you hear the music ring. Well, now you step inside, but you don't see too many faces. Coming in out of the rain, they hear the jazz go down. Competition in other places, but the horns, they blowing that sound. Way on down south, way on down south, London town.
Okey, permulaan jalan balik. Ini Cannondale Posey patah riuk. Boleh tengok saat dia patah riuk tu, bila dia potong semua sekali rider, kemudian patah riuk. Kita dalam proses.
Potong dia bong.
Tapi okey. Momen patah tu adalah momen yang indah pasal dia potong semua orang tadi. Tu rider oleh kerana terlampau power hari ni, bersepai dia punya gear set. Kita ada mekanik kita, keri, kita ada mekanik magnip sedang baiki. Ya, cabut rantai terus. Kita cabut rantai, kita cek pokok nombor 9. Ya, simpang pokok nombor 9. Itu dia. Ni simpang 3 ni. Kita turun bukit tadi straight sampai tang ni sebelum titi. Berlipat dia punya arti dia. Rantai simpan dalam buluh. Oh, nanti nak main cari payah hang. Mungkin dia. Okay, kita akan towing ni. Tapi kalau kita gamak-gamak towing tak boleh, kita tukar rider. Mak Ye duk tani aku towing ngapong. Aku towing ngapong ni. Pong turut belakang dia, Pong. Tak pergi tunjuk towing dulu. Tak payah kayo tu dia, Pong. Pong turut belakang, Pong. Kita akan bagi Pong untuk towing Mak Ye.
Pulun. Masak potong. Oh, masak kau. Hai. Oh, hak ni gerek bercampur tak ada rantai. Patutlah tolak. Gerek tak ada rantai, patutlah tolak. Oh. Lagi cute. Ni pasal Pong gerek kabel tolak Naga tak ada abang. Aduh. Ingat kot kabel ringan dah, tolak awak asal ambil tanggung terus kabel.
Tak ada. Abang Ye kembali beraksi.
Yes.
Tadi dia tolong tolak basikal Mak Ji. Gerek Mak Ji apa nama putih. Arti pun cabut. Ya habis. Okey. Lepas start sprint, kita nak simpan kamera sat. Okay. Selesai gambar naik motor, kita kena bagi sampai jauh lah, Pak. Pusing, kering. Habis. Walau.
Check out Guitar George. He knows all the chords. But it's strictly rhythm, he doesn't wanna make it cry or sing. If then an old guitar is all he can afford, when he gets up under the lights to play his bass,